Hello everyone, and thank you for checking out your weather update. The weather is beautiful this week. We have another day of sunshine for Wednesday. Going to start off in the upper 50s to low 60s out there. We'll see temperatures by noon around 76, and we'll have a high temperature of 80 Wednesday afternoon. We'll see mostly sunny skies out there. When we look at the forecast moving forward, the temperatures will start to gradually warm each day. We're going to really enjoy for our Wednesday and Wednesday night some very cool temperatures. Thursday still pretty nice. We'll see temperatures just a little warmer, back to the mid 80s. We'll be back to the upper 80s by Friday afternoon, and you will notice those low temperatures gradually start to go up as well. By the weekend, we're talking temperatures that actually get back close to 90. The good news is the humidity will not be too bad, so it's going to be quite breezy. The air will still be fairly dry, so it won't feel too bad. It should still feel fairly pleasant. So don't be totally deceived by that 90, because it may not feel as hot, given that it will be breezy, the air won't be too humid. We'll have sunshine as we go throughout the weekend as well. Next chance of rain, that won't come until we get to Monday of next week. We think Monday afternoon through Tuesday, we'll see the chance of rain return as a front will start to work its way in. That front will bring more humidity out ahead of it, so we'll see more humid conditions, but temperatures going from near 90 this weekend back to the 80s as we go throughout next week, but lows back near 70 for our morning temperatures by the beginning of next week as well. That's all I have for your update. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the beautiful, really about the best stretch of summer weather for the summer coming up over the next several